Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's actually nice having you guys here again. As we always do it every time, we talk fully about the cloud space. Everything that has to do with cloud. And so far today, we will be talking about Microsoft 365 Copilot. So many people knows what Copilot actually does and the way it's able to integrate into workspaces and every other stuff like that. Because of course, the world is strictly going into AI. I mean, if you're not involved in AI, then it means you're actually behind. So don't get left behind. So everyone's actually talking about Microsoft 365 Copilot. But what does it actually do inside your office apps? So let's break it down. In a simple sense, let's say, in a very simple way, Copilot actually helps you to write smarter, right? In Microsoft Word, of course, we have so many productivity tools when it comes to Microsoft 365. We have Microsoft Word, we have Teams, we have Outlook, we have PowerPoint, we have Excel, and so many other aspects. So, how is Copilot embedded into all of these applications, this productivity applications? So, the first one, let's say Microsoft Word. So, basically, Copilot and Microsoft Word summarizes reports. Okay, so it could help you summarize reports into paragraphs. Okay, or it could help you rewrite a document. It could help you rewrite things to be more professional and make it easier and very understandable. You could actually tell it to do it this certain way, and it's definitely going to do it the exact way that you want. It drafts, it summarizes, and even adjusts the writing style, depending on the kind of tone that you wanted to give it. What about Microsoft Excel? I would say in Microsoft Excel, it's more like having a built-in data analyst. So let's say you could ask it, show me sales trend, okay, for the past 6 months. And it's definitely going to create a chart, find insight, or even build formulas for you instantly. So in this way, it means Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Excel looks through your document, the one that you give it to look through, okay, and it would help you take analytical report, help you provide analytical report in this Excel spreadsheet, okay. Saves you time from having to do this manually. It could be stressful actually doing this computational things manually. So Copilot actually helps you with that in just a matter of seconds. Okay, so now we've talked about Microsoft Excel. What about Microsoft PowerPoint? So I would say in Microsoft PowerPoint, you can go from idea to slides in just a few seconds. You have an idea that you actually want to bring to life. All you just need to do is give it to Copilot, create this idea for me, and ta, it does. Okay, so let's say you could give it an instance. Let's just say you just open your Microsoft PowerPoint and just say, hey, Copilot, create a 5-slide presentation on our marketing results, you know, and Copilot designs it for you. It gives you layout, it gives you visual designs and everything. Now, once it gives you this, if you do not like it, of course, you could modify these things to the best way that you want it to be. Okay, so that's how it works effectively on PowerPoint. And one important aspect about Microsoft 365 is Microsoft Outlook, of course. What is an organization without emails? It actually connects an organization to the outside world. So what about Copilot in Outlook? So let's look at it this way. Copilot could help you summarize long emails. Let's say you get long, lengthy emails from somebody, and it's quite long, and you just cannot go through reading through because it's a very tasking day for you. Copilot would help you pick out the very important points, the call to actions, what is actually needed for you to do. So that Copilot actually helps you do that. So it summarizes long email threads and drafts replies for you. So you could literally just say, hi, Copilot, summarize this email and draft a polite response. So this is you killing two birds with just one stone at the blink of an eye. So what about Copilot and Teams? Copilot is very, very important when it comes to Microsoft Teams meeting, and everything. We all have the organization whereby we're so hell-bent on meetings that could span 4 to 5 hours of the day, and while the meeting is still going on, you need to meet some productive aspect of your own. Some tasks need to be done. What does Copilot actually help you do in Microsoft Teams? Copilot in Microsoft Teams is more like your meeting assistant, okay? It summarizes discussions, right? It tracks action items and also helps you catch up, even if you missed the meeting, okay? So that's why it's very important whenever you're using or you're in a Teams meeting, ensure Copilot is actually incorporated in that. So now let's see. It's very important, while I've spoken these things, it's very important that we know how these things work. How do they actually come alive? How do they give you what you want when you ask it? Okay, it's not magic, right? It's pure technology. So let's see. Copilot actually connects your Microsoft Graph data, all right? So it connects to like your emails, files, and calendar with powerful AI models. Okay, so when I talk about AI models, this simply means that it understands your context and helps you to get things done securely. Now, the word securely, do not forget about that, because security actually matters when you're dealing with things like this. So now let's take a look at it. Microsoft 365 Copilot isn't just another AI. Okay, it's your personal work assistant, built right into your favorite application. Right. So next time you open Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint, try asking Copilot for help. I mean, it's going to save you time. It's going to make your work more effective, and you could just, combine lots of ideas. Your ideas, the one that Copilot gives you, merge it together to bring something more powerful. Okay. So just make sure you follow for more cloud related discussion. Thank you. Until we meet the next time.